The home of the Sports of Kings, where racing is always at its best. And they're off and running, and an early lead is taken by Heaven's Image from the outside, inherent by the rail, and Gold Kugat expecting Kaitlin Gaia in between horses, and the favorite Magic Minx. Heading for the backstretch, it's Gold Kugat in the lead, followed by Expecting Kaitlin on the outside in second, Inherent running in third, Heaven's Image, Gaia, and Magic Minx. The mid-back stretch, it's still entry number one, Gold Cougar in the lead, followed by Expecting Kaitlin in second, Inherent running in third by 3.5 lengths, Heaven's Image, and Magic Minx moving up on the inside. Gaia is bringing up the rear. And nearing the far turn, it's Gold Cougar by the rail, and Expecting Kaitlin moving up on the outside. It's Expecting Kaitlin on the outside, and by the rails Gold Cougar, and closing in 37 Image. Rounding the far turn, Expecting Kaitlin, Heaven's Image on the outside, Gold Cougar by the rail, Inherent, and moving up now is Magic Minx. And into the home stretch, the lead is taken over now by Heaven's Image from the outside. At the top of the stretch, Heaven's Image from the outside, and on the further outside is Inherent and Gold Cougar, Magic Minx. And nearing the pipeline, it is still Heaven's Image in the lead, and Magic Minx moving up by the rail, and Gold Cougar. And finally at the pipeline, it's Heaven's Image. Entry number one, Gold Cougar, Gaia, Magic Minx.